Hey guys, today we have a 2006 Mazda 5 and we will be replacing the rear struts, which is here. And I'm gonna show you why we need to replace it and what's going on with this car. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are going to replace the rear struts. The shocks for this. And I'm gonna show you why we need to replace it. And then, so you can see, here's our rear tires. And if you can see that right here, see how it eats when it bounces like that? That's bad. It also alignment does it too. But I know when this bounce, keep doing that. See, it's the whole inner side of your tires, and you will feel that. This is the newer tires too. But look, it messed up the whole tires right here. You can tell it's even here and right here inside, uneven wear, and it's bad. Let me show you the other side as well. This one is not as bad, but it does have it too. And also, that could be also your camber. If your camber is bad, that's for the alignment. I'm not sure if this has a camber adjustment. Yeah, this is your camber right here. It doesn't have it. It does have you can't adjust the camber. That's an OEM. But with the rotation, that will kind of prevent this for doing it. I don't think he rotate the tires too. This is bad, but it's not as bad as the other ones. You can see the uneven wear. I'll show you the other side. This is the worst one right there. So we will be removing these tires, this wheel, and we'll be able to access the top nuts and the bottom. All right, let's get to it. Okay, to remove that struts we have, the bottom we have this size 17 here. Let's see, 17, and this side, that one is welded, so we don't need to hold that nut. We're just removing that one, and the one on top up there will be, what's this, size 12. What I would do is remove the top first, the size 12, and when we remove that, we will be removing these. Okay, once we remove that, just pull it out, and that should drop. Let's see. There you go, and we go from the top. That one should drop pretty easy. And then we can lift it up, because that one is already loose. What you could do is kind of like compress it, because we know that this is actually bad. So see, you can compress it by hand. Then once that, lift it up, and that's out. And let's go ahead and compare it from the new one. Okay, so this is how we're gonna test how bad this old one to the new one. We're gonna compress it by hand. Some of them is hard to compress by hand, and this is pretty easy. But check out how fast and how slow does it go up. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna push it all the way down. So that's technically all the way down. Then let it go up. So you can see the brand new one goes up faster. So that means when the car bounces, it helps it go up to its height, and this one takes forever. So that's why there's a bounciness, and then it affects your tire wear. But right now, we're going to remove these and transfer all the hardwares here. All right, let's do that. Okay, so this one is size 13. We're going to remove that. Make sure you're holding the bottom. And it's not spinning because the whole thing is spinning around. Let's see. Try it again. Okay, it doesn't come out. But we have to hold the inside part. Or you can hold this piece here. All right, to remove this top, that's size 13. So I have size 13 here. We're going to turn it and hold the middle part. So I have this piece here. While I'm holding it, don't drop that one. Go ahead, do it again. There you go. See that? And that should come out. Once that's out, this top part will pull out. Let's see. There you go. So this one is out. I could reuse this because that's, or get a new part if you want. I don't think there's anything wrong with these. Let's see. Yeah, I could just reuse the whole piece. I don't see any problem. Let's go check. Oh. Inside looks okay. Um, yeah, I'm gonna reuse it. So to reuse it, we just install this, remove this piece, and put it back. Make sure you get in the middle. Make sure it's straight, so it'll go in pretty good. I don't think I'm getting it straight. There you go. That's in. There you go. Then that should come out this side. There you go. Let's try that one. In. It goes up pretty good. This one doesn't go up well. Oh, really slow. This not as bad. I've seen worse than that. So this one I'm just gonna install it, put it back, and then same way you're gonna have something to hold it. I hope this is size 13 as well. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna put that in there. Hold this one. You have to do it all the way in. Okay, putting it back, make sure that that's close to a line there, and then your hole is facing you. And then compress it first. It'd be easier. And then put it the bottom part first, then going up. Right there. And we're gonna do the top part last. Or what you could do is get a knot, let it hold there real quick. Okay, so I'll put one knot there so you can hold it hanging. And then go from the bottom. So you can see that's aligned to the hole. If it's not, you can push it up and down a little bit and put your bolt through it. Right here. There we go. And then we're gonna torque it, install that, and torque the top. And that should be done. There you go. Got it there. Tied it. We're gonna torque that later. Get you out the nut for the top. Right here. And go ahead. Get this one. I'm gonna need an extension. So we can reach it. All right. There you go, guys. And then let's go ahead and get our torque specs, and then we're done. All right, guys. So we already torqued them, the top knot, and then this bottom bolt. We gotta put the wheels back. Double check everything. Brakes are good. Everything looks good. And then do the other side, and then we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Till next time.